Hello, welcome to my Lorentix channel. Today we are gonna open a package and we will make a mini DIY. My name is Lorena and she's Candy, my Coton de Tulear. Rabbitgoo sent us a new harness in this package and we are going to open it now. In the package came the harness and this booklet where you will find all instructions in different languages. The harness is green, made with antiperspirant fabric, adjustable, comfortable, padded, with a padded handle, with two no-pull hooks on the back and front, has adjustable and elastic straps, and it has a side hook to adjust the harness to the animal, which is very safe. Medium in size that fits perfectly for a small-sized dog, like my dog. Now we are going to test the harness on Candy and see if she feels comfortable and safe. Just in case, all the information about this Rabbitgoo harness are below in my description box and an invitation that I will make at the end of this video. Here you can see more closely how my girl wearing the new harness. Guys, I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you are new and also to follow me on my social media. Okay, let's start with the mini DIY. I bought this silver chain leash and I have never bought this type of leash, but looks so cool, right? I will hook it on both sides of the harness so you can see how easy it's putting on. I also bought these pink patches that I'm going to glue them on the harness to give it a little more color. And this is the final result. I hope you liked my video and are inspired to decor your dog's harnesses. To all my friends in the United States are welcome to register on the Perfect Pet Show website. It's a virtual site of a beauty contest for dogs where we can show the talent and charm to our dogs and win many prizes in cash or food for them. Use my code Lorentix to register. See you next time. Bye bye.